Excuse me. Hi. Hi. You're ugly to a tree. You just call me ugly.
Yes.
I haven't been doing my makeup for hours.
Look at the mirror. See that? See that? That's all the window, not a mirror. It makes you look pretty. You're not pretty. Stop, please.
Come into your hair, please.
No, please don't. No, please, no.
I'm a hairdresser now.
New choice.
I'm a makeup artist now.
New choice.
I'm a carpenter.
Oh, definitely, you can just touch my hair. Sit. Please, sit. You please. I'll sit over here. Away from you.
This clip now. This is a clip. I think a butterfly clip would look wonderful for
New
you.
choice.
I don't like butterflies.
I think, nice mascara.
Oh, that's so sweet. I like windows.
Do you want my tip on
No,
Where are you
no.
going?
New choice, Katrina.
I like that man over there. He's so just.
Go talk to him. You should. You should. Hey! Hey, come over here. She likes you. She likes
Katrina,
you.
new choice. Katrina, new choice.
He thinks you're ugly.
She likes you. You like him.
Don't
you like him?
He likes you.
He's her cousin and you like him?
No, you got it all wrong. He's like you.
You said you liked him. Now let me do your hair nice so he likes you too.
No, I don't know.
Let me do your hair nice.
How about you just sit down over there?
Let me do your hair nice if you don't mind.
Katrina, new choice.
Yeah, go ahead. Just play with it.
Now, where are you going, darling?
Downtown, you know, that way.
New choice.
Oh,
Pennsylvania.
New choice.
Florida.
oh, good. I'll do you nice. The Florida people, they like when your hair is done how I do it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Remember hair lipstick? Yeah. This is beautiful. My mama did this for me when I was about your age. Yeah. Do you like it? Want me to do your makeup too?
No.
I'll do it for you.
You can just sit. My stop's coming soon.
Honey, want me to do your hair for you?
No.
I know you want me
No,
to.
you want
I
me
know.
to do your hair? I can make it pretty. I'm a carpenter.
What are you saying? Throw her hair?